Converting cryptocurrency to GCash is a straightforward process that allows you to utilize your digital assets in your daily transactions. To begin with, you need to have a cryptocurrency wallet and a GCash account. First, you need to cash out your cryptocurrency from the exchange platform where your coins are stored. This can be done by navigating to the withdrawal section of the platform, selecting the type of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, and entering the amount. Next, you will need to send your cryptocurrency to a platform that supports Philippine peso withdrawals, such as a local cryptocurrency exchange or a peer-to-peer marketplace. Once your cryptocurrency is sold, you can withdraw the funds to your bank account or a mobile wallet like GCash. To link your bank account or GCash to the platform, you will need to provide the necessary account details, such as your account name, account number, and GCash mobile number. After linking your account, you can initiate the withdrawal process, which may take a few hours or days to complete, depending on the platform and the withdrawal method. It is essential to note that converting cryptocurrency to GCash may incur fees, such as withdrawal fees, transfer fees, and exchange rate fees. To minimize these fees, it is crucial to compare the fees charged by different platforms and choose the one that offers the best rates. In addition, it is vital to ensure that you are using a reputable and secure platform to avoid any potential risks, such as fraud or hacking. You should also keep your account and transaction information confidential to prevent unauthorized access. To summarize, converting cryptocurrency to GCash involves cashing out your cryptocurrency from an exchange platform, sending it to a platform that supports Philippine peso withdrawals, and withdrawing the funds to your GCash account. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily and securely convert your cryptocurrency to GCash.